Good morning, guys. So, what do you think of this? It's the last week in April already. How is it? How has this time just gone? Been a bit of a rough month this month. My back's gone. Full of flu now. It was man flu on Friday. But then Friday night, I just stood there in the living room. I've got like a big chair, sort of. Old man chair, big chair, whatever. I stood behind there, I was ready to go for bed, and I was just shivering. Proper shivering, went into bed. I was freezing, I was shivering, it was horrible. So I've just been laid up Saturday and Sunday. We were supposed to be working Saturday. I've just been laid up. But yesterday was the only day that I want like sweating, overheating, hot and cold sweats all the time, you know. So I thought, I'll come in today. Oh, I feel lousy. I'm just bunged up again now, so it's almost like it's coming out of me, blowing my nose more and stuff, you know what I mean? But yeah, last week in April, can't believe it. So yeah, this should be good now. This'll test us if we need 3 men or not, because we're going to have one laying, one mixing, and then one putting slurry on flag, bringing the flag round, doing a cut at that end, doing a cut at this end, putting mortar out for him, whatever. Do you know what I mean? And it'll always be moving. Not one man should stand still, really. Which I'll see. I won't feel it now, but I'll see it when I'm editing the video. And I'll be able to see how much people are stood about, you know, see if we do need 3 men. But they're already laying by the sounds of it. I'm just having 5 minutes. But yeah, this'll be the test. This'll be the test. Like we had Sean with us, and it worked well. He decided to leave, and then we're like, you know what? We'll do it with 2. We'll finish early on a Monday. We'll do this. Or finish early on a Friday. If we finish a job on a Thursday, we won't come in on a Friday. If we'll do it like this, we'll work Saturdays. We'll work Mondays. And we never did. We just worked bloody 7 days a week. We did more, you know, because we're still used to that speed. Even though we were that 2 men, we still did it. Yeah, I'll be there. But like, it was like we're just killing ourselves here. So yes, it will be interesting. We'll see. I'm looking forward to the Leeds game tonight. By the time you've watched this, Leeds will have already played, so we'll already know the result. But I want to win the league. Our lasses' cousins are all Burnley fans. They live in Preston, but they're Burnley fans. And you know what annoys me is they've got rid of the season ticket because when they got promoted last time, he don't enjoy Premier League. It's like me. If we get hammered every game next year, just be a feeder team in Championship, man. Sell your players like Blackburn do. Sell the players constantly. But yeah, he got rid of his season ticket when they got promoted because it's not a day out. It's boring. You'd rather spend it with kids and whatnot. But he said, because it's been 2 years now, I was like, I might go get my season ticket back. I was like, can you just go buy a season ticket now? He went, yeah, I could go on match day and get a ticket. I was like, what the hell? He went, what about you guys? I was like, it's like 10,000 on a waiting list, 20,000 on a waiting list for a season ticket. You're waiting for everybody to die. It's like, it just doesn't happen, does it? So, Leeds that way, big club. But yeah, hopefully we'll do all right next season. But I want Leeds to win the Championship. Now we're promoted, I want Leeds to win the Championship over them. Because we're off away with them on a boozy weekend in a couple of weeks. We're off to Benidorm. And he's going. I'm like, we better win bloody league before he gets there. Before we go, should I say. But yeah, yes, it's all fun. So I'll see him back. It'll be probably a time lapse next. But let's see how 3 men go. I think we've done all right today. 3 people. This afternoon, to be honest, I've been running down to MKM, going to get some slurry, stuff like that. Got colour in it. Going down to get some slurry and stuff like that, and I've been on my phone a lot, sorting tonight out because Leeds game's on. So I've just been sorting that out. We haven't got tickets, we're just off to working men's club. So, but yes, that is 1, 2.5 more rows. That'll be done tomorrow. But yeah, I've got plenty to do here tomorrow. He's gonna lay, and then I'm gonna do other things. Just keep going. We've planned it all out already. But yeah, nice day, nice day. We didn't bit of running around this morning, so we didn't get here while 10. So that's brilliant, absolutely brilliant. So I'll catch you all tomorrow, 8 o'clock sharp.